This video is brought to you by the Bates College Digital and Computational Studies program under a Creative Commons Attribution Share-alike version 4.0 license. This next series of videos is going to walk through the Bobcapet starter, which will get us ready for translating our Bobcapets into Python. So, from class, we took a look at some variables and the idea that we have a time ticker in our Bobcapet. So first we will start by telling our microbit we want all the Python code that helps make our programs work on this little device. And one of the first things that we did is we said, well, we might want to track hunger or happiness or any of a variety of things. So we might want to say that hunger starts out as 0. Our Bobcapet does not start out hungry. But we also said that we really needed a ticker of some sort. So we might start that at 0. These are both variables. So these are variables that contain the state of our Bobcapet. That state, are you in a state of agitation with this video? Are you in a state of excitement because of this video? All right. The state is the current status, the current being, the current way of our Bobcapet. I'm going to have to come up with a better way to describe that metaphorically. Now, if we were to write code for our Bobcapet here, I guess I should say that this is all the equivalent of on start. Everything up here is on start, and then if we want things to run forever, we need to put them in a loop. So far we have seen a while loop, and we really haven't yet talked about how to end that loop. So, the question is, how do we make our Bobcapet ticker go up once every second? The first thing we'll do is we will sleep for 1 second, and then we will say the ticker is equal to well, let's see. The ticker starts out as 0, and I'd like it to go up to 1. So this is equivalent to reaching into a box, seeing that there's a 0. I want to add 1 to it, and then put it back in the box called ticker. And this is a very common pattern. We saw this in our blocks. You can also think of this as the change. Right, we want to change ticker by 1. So we say that on the right-hand side, we're going to take the ticker and add 1. So it goes from 0 to 1. And then we're going to assign that value back to the box called ticker. Now, does that do anything? Let's try this. Let's say display.scroll, and I want to show the ticker. So I'm going to flash my microbit. If I take a look, the yellow light should be blinking. What is it going to show me? It should show me a number every second. It says there's an error. So if I look at the REPL, and I restart my microbit, can't convert int object to O. I did this extremely wrong. I have to say I want ticker to become a string, and I'm not dissecting that fully yet. So that's still sort of magical. I'm going to talk about how we convert numbers to strings and the like at a later point. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there we have it. Once every second, things are updating, in particular the ticker variable, and I have a visual indicator that that is the case.